The basic principles guiding the starter dataset of the stove allow for portability as well as permanent installation and the ability to assemble it from a small kit without tools. The focus on simplicity leaves a lot of room for potential improvement. The initial design, for example, requires an external flame to start as well as an external regulator to set the temperature. These are items that could easily be integrated into the design with a creative approach. The design was also made from stainless steel sheet metal to keep the design simple and to minimize the number of parts. Reviewing the process of creating the design, you'll see that simple stainless steel sheet metal components were used, as well as bent wire grills. The burner subassembly can be held in place without the use of fasteners. There is an animation of the assembly process integrated into the starter dataset. Use it to explore what the original concept was and think about ways that you might want to do things differently. This starter dataset can be used freely to make modifications, or simply use it as inspiration to come up with ideas that are all your own.